This is the Worx 20-volt cordless 2-piece combo kit, a drill driver and impact driver. Let's get these tools out of the box and into the shop. Here's what you get. You get the nylon carry bag. You get a warranty card and owner's manual, as with all Worx tools. A 3-year warranty on these 2 drills. Fill out the card, drop it in the mail. You get the drill, 2.8 pounds. Extremely lightweight for all the power and torque you're going to get. You get the impact driver, 2.6 pounds. You get 2 20-volt max lithium batteries. These are part of the Worx battery share program, which means any 20-volt Worx battery will fit in any 20-volt Worx tool. I love that they do that. You get a charger. You get 2 screwdriver bits, a Phillips head, and a flat bit. The drill driver has a 3/8" chuck, 15+1 clutch settings. The impact driver is 1/4" chuck. There's a small light on each drill that comes on when you trigger the drill. Here's a quick review of all that you get. In my use of DIY, handyman jobs, hobby building, and even large projects, the combo kit has performed well in my shop. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please let us know.